Guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Samsung R800, also known as I think it's the DeVal. I can't remember. But yeah, here we go. We're going to do the backdrop. Start slow motion in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. This one's already in pretty rough shape anyway. It's got taking parts off of it. Looks like I hit down here. There's a lot rougher down there. Oh, that wind is killing me. It's a little bit rougher down there at the bottom. It's going to do the corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. I was straight on the corner too. I don't know if I got that one on camera, guys. I was actually trying to make sure I dropped the phone in the slow motion, so hopefully that one came on the slow motion. Maybe right there or right here. Still doing pretty good though. Let's go to hit the slow motion. Let's go and do the face down in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so that one took some dents up on the top plastic. Looks to be in still decent shape. Let's go and do the throw test. Alrighty, swap hands real quick. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, let me go grab that. Whoops. Guys, I actually just dropped the S6 Edge, so we'll maybe leave that on. I think I started the slow motion running. We'll see if I captured it. I mean, it's already cracked anyways, but it looks pretty good. It did pop apart right there. Try to snap it back together. Looks like it hit right up here at the top corner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.